Hi, this is Dhirendra. Welcome to our channel called Psychology of Minds. In this video, we will be discussing about psychology as a word or as a study or a discipline of learning. So basically, word psychology has been derived from a fundamental word called psych or psyche, which basically means will or soul. Now, on the current times, if you see, the psychology has been defined as a scientific study of behavior and mind. There are three components. If you clearly see it, that it has scientific study as one of the important factors or important components which define psychology. Then there is mind, which you need to be understand how do you define or understand mind, and then there is the third aspect of behavior. So when combined together, this will give a clear picture of psychology. So scientific study, when you say that it is that field of study or that part of the study which has testable experiments in an environment, and then there will be predicted outcomes. So once it is done universally, once it happens universally, then we can say that that part of study or that law, theory, or that understanding is scientific in nature. So concept of gravity is applicable for humans, animals, plants, living and non-living things as well. So that makes concept of gravity as a scientific study. But concept of a good art or a bad art is totally dependent on individual. So that is a very subjective study. So that won't be called as a scientific study. So hope this explanation of what is scientific and what is unscientific is clear. Now the second important component of psychology is mind. Mind normally can be termed as or can be said as brain, or that is just a biological representation of various other phenomena happening inside our brain. So that may include will, motivation, pain, emotion. Then you have many other kind of things like perception, desire. So that all will be covered under the faculty of mental processing or mind as such. So hope this basic explanation of mind helps you clarify on how do you or what do you call mental processes or mind. The third component was behavior. So when we say that there is a particular outcome for a particular input by an individual or by a process or by an animal or non-living thing or living thing, then we can say that okay, this is a particular behavior of that individual or that subject under discussion. So if someone responds to a particular way of criticism, then that is his behavior. If someone in the other individual responds in a different other way, then that will be a totally different behavior. So the study of the mind and behavior, and that too when done scientifically, will lead us to have an understanding of psychology as a field of study. Now there are two important concepts which are often used while understanding psychology. One is consciousness, the other one is unconsciousness. So these two words will often be used learning psychology in classroom or in colleges or by hobby or as a way of propagating knowledge or information. In the coming video, we will discuss why psychology is important, why one should learn psychology, and how does it help us as an individual or organizations to improve their performance, improve their work, improve their lifestyle. So thank you for your time right now, and hope you had the information which you wanted. Thanks anyways. Thank you.